Good morning, Matthew. How are you doing? I hope you are having a good day and that you're ready to begin working on IEP goals 5, 6, and 7. So goal number 5, Matthew, we are going to be continue talking about fire safety and fire station procedures. For today's fire safety, this page, we're going to keep going over it because it will help you out with your assignment. So this is a helmet, and firefighters wear it on their heads. This is a ladder, and firefighters use this to rescue people from fire. So they climb up the stairs to reach like really high places, like buildings that are really tall, like 2-story, 3-story, 4 stories. Like in some places there's buildings that have up to like 20 stories tall, so they use ladders for that. They have really big ladders. And right here, this is a fire truck, and firefighters drive in a fire truck. And here is a hose, and firefighters spray water from a hose to put down the fire. And you know that when your clothes are on fire, you stop, you drop, and you roll, because that will help the fire turn off. And what should you do if you're in a building that is on fire? You get low and you go. You run really fast to the nearest exit. So for goal number 5, this is your worksheet. I know you might not have it with you, and it is okay. So all you have to do is just write down the question and put the answer. So here they're giving it to you in pictures. However, you can write it down. We can write down all of these in words. So this is a fire truck. Oh, I'm so sorry. This right here is a fire hydrant, and this is a building. This is a firefighter putting down a fire with the water hose. And then this is fire, and this is a helmet. So use these pictures to guide you, but just write down the answers on this side. You don't need this picture, and you don't need to cut it and glue it. So let me take out this worksheet so I can do one question with you, and you will do the rest on your own. So here is the assignment, Matthew. Make sure you write your name and the date, and today's date is 11/20/2020. And the direction says for you to paste the picture on each thing. Like I said, just write down the question and the answer. So question number 1 says, who puts out fires? So tell me, Matthew, who puts out the fires? Yes, good job. Firefighters. And I'm going to write it right here. So firefighters. Those are the ones who put out fires. And that's what you're going to be doing for the rest of the questions. If you have, this could be like your word bank. These are what you're going to use here. But instead of you putting in pictures, you're going to be using the words for it. So if you have any questions or need help at all, just let me know. And once you are done with this assignment, we will be going on to goal number 5. Now we will be going over goal number 6, and here we're going to be talking about department stores. So I know last week you did the one of HEB, and so this week we're going to be doing another department store, just because I want you to see different ones to see which one is the one you would like to work at. which one is the one that is best for you. So today we're going to be talking about Hibbett Sports. So I know you like sports, and Hibbett is a department store just for sports. So I thought you might really like Hibbett Sports. So this is the worksheet we will be doing today. Okay, Matthew, so this is the assignment for today. You have 4 questions, and I will be doing one with you, and you will be doing the rest on your own. I will be reading this short passage right here, and it's about working at Hibbett Sports. So it says, the minimum age required to be employed at Hibbett is 18. At Hibbett Sports, you get a 25% discount when you become an employee. Employee discount applies to particularly everything in the store and online. The average Hibbett Sports hourly pay ranges approximately from $7.78 per hour for cashiers to $15.69 per hour for human resources coordinator. The average Hibbett Sports salary ranges from approximately $15,000 per year for a salesperson to $48,124 per year for human resources coordinator. Employees get paid bi-weekly, which means every 2 weeks. Hibbett Sports wear jeans or khaki pants with a plain black shirt. So this is just some information on Hibbett Sports, and this information is going to help you answer the following questions. So for question number 1, it says, how often do Hibbett employees get paid? So do you remember, Matthew, how often do they get paid? It says right here, employees get paid bi-weekly, which means every 2 weeks. So now, how often do they get paid? Yes, awesome job. We can put bi-weekly, or we can also put every 2 weeks, which means the same thing. So Matthew, you will be working on number 2, 3, and 4 on your own. Remember, you can just write the questions and answers on a sheet of paper, and that will be good too. Once you're done with this, we will be going over your last goal, which is goal number 7. So for goal number 7, Matthew, we are going to be going over recipes. So today's recipe is called Haunted Popcorn Balls. So this is the recipe we will be working on today. Here is the worksheet. Just write the question and answer in a sheet of paper, and this is what you will be using to answer the worksheets. I will also be putting all the worksheets in the bottom in Teams, just in case you can't really see too well here, but if so, you can totally use this and just copy it in a piece of paper. So for today's recipe, we're going to be going over haunted popcorn balls. And here it says that the prep time takes 15 minutes. So to prepare everything takes 15 minutes, and the cooking time takes 10 minutes. And here on the side are the ingredients, and over here are the instructions. So let's go over the ingredients. The first ingredients is you need 6 cups of popcorn. the plain flavor, the one that has no flavor at all, it's plain. Half a cup of sugar, 4 tablespoons of butter, 6 ounces, which is about half of the package of mini marshmallows. 1 cup candy corn, orange food coloring, and half a cup of all unsalted peanuts and some cooking spray. And now the instructions on the side. It says, melt the butter over low heat on a pan. Mix in the sugar once the butter has melted, then add the marshmallows in. Once the marshmallows have completely melted, stir in 2 to 3 drops of orange food coloring mix. Remove from heat and quickly stir in popcorn until each kernel is coated. I'm so sorry, it's very, very blurry. Then add the candy corn and peanuts. You're gonna mix. Then spray your hands with cooking spray and form balls from the mixture. The balls should be 2 to 3 inches big. Place on a greased cookie sheet until they are cool and enjoy. So that is what are the instructions and the ingredients to prepare hunted popcorn balls. It sounds delicious. So now, Matthew, I will be doing question number 1 with you, and you can do the rest on your own. You only have 3 questions. And the first question is, what is the name of this recipe? So I have mentioned it several times. What is the name of the recipe, Matthew? Yes, awesome job. It is called Haunted Popcorn Balls. Now you will be doing questions 2 and 3 on your own. If you have any questions on any of the assignments, please reach out to me on Teams or to Mr. Salinas. We are here to help. Once you are done, just take a picture and submit it to Teams, and then you are done. And you have a whole week of vacation. So I hope you have a happy Thanksgiving, Matthew. Stay safe and enjoy your vacation. See you till next Monday. Bye.